I was like, okay.
मुझे स्क्रिप्ट दी गई थी, मैंने पढ़ी, मगर उसके अंदर प्री क्लाइमैक्स और क्लाइमैक्स मिसिंग था. मैं शायद वो 5 मिनट के लिए यही सोच रहा था कि क्या इसको क्लाइमैक्स पता है.
रिक्वेस्ट दीनू सर की सर 30% तो बनता है सर, आप हमें कमीशन दे देना. We'll put a request. Yeah, absolutely.
हम एक हाथ से लिखना भूल चुके हैं. पेन पॉइंट पकड़ फोटोग्राफ देने के लिए पेन लेकर.
मेरा नाम है अरुण सिंह. We're doing this for NETV network, so we keep a mix of English and Hindi. बहुत स्वागत. जब हम रिसर्च कर रहे थे मैंने एक चीज नोटिस की आपकी. To explore, what do you think? What is the most common thing between you three? Something that connects you guys. What do you think?
We're all human.
Humans. That's
a
great
good one.
start.
Wow.
I think we're dressed in the same color today for some
Yeah,
reason.
That's a smart one.
Yeah.
That's really nice. But what I think is that all of you have been part of cults in हैं. But जैसे ही आपका नाम आता है तो वो एक कल्ट फिल्म आती है, जैसे लैला मजनू, जैसे वन कल्ट फिल्म जो आगे आने वाले 20-30 सालों तक भी लोग देखेंगे. So first reading, like I am really amused कि जब ये 3 कहा था कि पहली बार मिल रहे थे.
No, we had not met before.
I met both of them for the first time.
For the first time, what was it like, if you can elaborate?
I mean, the first time when I met Jimmy sir, there was absolute silence for 20 minutes. Me, Jimmy sir and Neeraj sir were sitting and all we did was sabji.
But why?
अब 2 सीनियर्स थे, मैं तो चुपचाप बैठा हुआ था. I used to feel that it's my responsibility to keep the energy up. नहीं सर, ये वैसे करके फिर वापस चुप हो जाता था क्योंकि ये दोनों जन कुछ बोलते ही नहीं थे. So that's why the first experience was अभी recently when we met for the film. We were in Agra, right? And that's where we straight off. I think we straight off did the like we actually got on floor and started rehearsing, right?
Yeah.
No, we rehearsed Sur. And then it just became very, very easy. Just
Smooth.
Yeah.
Anything that you have in your memory the first time you met?
Tamanna I had met a couple of times before, as in like socially here and there at premieres and all that. And Avinash, like he said, that situation was such that me and Neeraj were sitting and suddenly Avinash comes in. Neeraj said, if you're around, why don't you just come to the office? And I said, chalo theek hai, I'll come have a coffee. I was having my coffee and suddenly Avinash also comes and then there was some 5-10 minute का, because वही जो नीरज ने कहा कि जी that's Avinash, that's Jimmy and this that and all whatever. और फिर सब साथ मैं तो डेफिनेटली थका हुआ था. बट वो ही इज राइट, वो एक अजीब सा साइलेंस था 5-7 मिनट के लिए और उसके बाद सबके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी आ गई और सब फिर बोलने लग गए. और जहाँ तक स्क्रिप्ट का सवाल है, आई थिंक मुझे स्क्रिप्ट दी गई थी, मैंने पढ़ी, मगर उसके अंदर प्री क्लाइमैक्स और क्लाइमैक्स मिसिंग था. 2 मिनट के लिए यही सोच रहा था कि क्या इसको क्लाइमैक्स पता है. So yeah, I mean
for different projects, is there anything that stands out, because you guys of course work with different process which makes them different, which can amuse our audiences or me, because I'm really amused to know.
I have a long list of things to say, but because these both people have worked with them a lot more, it was my first experience. Or are we going to have an awkward 1 minute?
No, why don't you start since you had it for the...
I was like, okay,
what were we trying to figure out? Who's
No, yours was the first experience. I'm sure उसमें ज़्यादा stand out करता है. तो अगर आप
I mean, I was a huge fan of these really long one takes, because you can tell that the camera doesn't cut in many of his films. That's something that he's followed, and I just wanted to be a part of that experience where I understand one person is conducting it. There are so many people that are moving and crossing, and there's so much activity that's going on through those one extremely long shots that I think the one edge that Neeraj sir has over anybody else is his organization and how he coordinates, gets everyone to just like do everything that they need to do, and the prep doesn't even take like a breath in the middle of the day. He's just like super focused, like razor sharp. You really can't have, we'll never be like chilling on the sets or hanging. He always has this mild smile on his face, which sometimes you don't understand whether it means that he's really happy or is he really worried.
Yeah, you don't know what's going.
He's just, he has this, his poker face is a mild smile, which looks scary sometimes. But I think that is his, that's his game face, I'm guessing, because that just keeps him in the zone. But he's exactly like the directors that I think I work with, who've been the best directors in our country. Like their instructions are very short. Like in one line they will give you what you need to do, and honestly you don't need to have a longer conversation. Very
Probably
short
would be.
conversations, precise conversations, but very long takes.
So there's a very funny thing that happened when I was shooting with him for Auron Mein Kahan Dam Tha. Some long scenes with Rajesh sir and myself, Kapoor. So now, having worked with Neeraj on 3-4 films earlier, I just knew one thing, that he likes to keep the energy up. So when it's a steady cam shot, you're walking in, you're coming, you're giving your dialogues, they're all shantamtha. And I had that thing in my head. I'd read the script, so I thought that we'll keep the energy up a little bit, and I started off. Then he suddenly comes to me and he takes me on the side and he says, "Thoda sa dheere chaliye." लंबे dialogue थे. So I thought he'll shoot this one also in the same way, the same kind of energy. कि तो क्या कर रहे थे तुम? I'm sure कि तुम यहाँ गए थे. थोड़ा सा धीरे चलिए. मैंने कहा, I thought you always got. He started laughing. Instantly आराम से. इस वाली को आराम से करते.
So this again came out of nowhere. My director and I keep saying that this is almost like divine intervention. I'd gone to Kashmir for a couple of days. He was in Kashmir, so I thought I'll meet him. We happened to walk into a restaurant. I just shared a story, and 3-4 girls walked in, and they made a reel which just went viral the next day. Cut to I'm in Srinagar, and I get tagged with reels with looking for Kesh Bhatt, and then like I was insisted to have a meet and greet in Srinagar. I said चलो कर लेते हैं. My director said 4 लोग नहीं आएंगे क्यों 20 की तरह रहा है. तो मैं ठीक है कोशिश करके देखते हैं. That meet and greet happened. We were not allowed to go out. मुहर्रम का दिन था और श्रीनगर में इतनी भीड़ एक जगह पे उसके बाद भी हो जाए वो. And so many girls, it's a slightly conservative state. All their emotions for the character was something no one expected. And Sajid just kept saying कि अच्छा श्रीनगर में आपको रिलीज चाहिए तो tag PVR and Inox. If you want, please get on with it. So they started with one show in Srinagar on 2nd of August, and that one show became 3 that very day, and within 3 hours, Friday to Monday, everything was full in Srinagar. I think that made PVR Inox wake up and say, let's do it all over India. And we will release it in 75 screens around the country, and started off with almost 225 screens to 400 to 700 the next day. It just kept building on. This is something we had not seen when the film released. We had seen 4 people in the theatres. So the joy was for me and my director to just travel around the theatres, say thank you to everyone who has come there, because it was just a feeling we had never witnessed for the film. And it just went on from there also. The only thing I can do is
process that stands out for you.
I think one thing which I feel is very, very strong with Neeraj Pandey is the understanding of heartland and the connect with it, which I find present times is slightly rare. Not many people can really boast of it. There is a clear urban heartland divide in the kind of films made. Very few films are able of the heartland, so that I feel is one thing very, very unique about him. Rest they have mentioned. He's one of the most organized setup that I've seen. He really wants to do the real. You feel that directors have started doing that lesser. The pre-time, the prep time of sitting down and doing rehearsals for some time. That I felt, for me personally, I felt one man who was really going conventional with it, so that was fun. What I find about his film different again, because they are one shots, it kind of gives you a feeling of theatre, because and theatre becomes an actor medium. His film, it's a director's medium. You do feel that it's your medium too, because you are on it all the time, right? The shot is on, and your head, body, mind, soul, everything is on it. So that's a different experience that I felt on this film. Yeah, I think the rest has been summed up. So.
Okay, coming to you, you also created a
character in mind and performs a song. I think it comes across quite differently than just about the glamour quotient of it.
Of course,
but it was
keep
channeling
talking
that.
about the power that franchise actually has.
इतना प्यार मिल गया और क्या credit करेंगे? Then Dinu sir will have to send me a few he'll have to send me the purpose of everyone on
I
that
would
film.
want her to.
Listen,
Do you believe it?
there's
I guess
Rajkumar,
it is.
there is Shraddha, there is
Do you think the song contributed in the revenue or not?
I think it did. I think it did.
I'm sure
I
of it.
find it really
I'm
awkward to
certain.
admit it.
But no, of course. Why shy away from
Yeah, why
admitting
not?
the reality?
But it's pure. Like this time, I think
We
Steve
can
apart.
actually
It's-
request Dinu sir कि sir 30% तो बनता है सर आप हमें कमीशन दे देना we'll put a
Yeah, you
request
should
for
get
it.
some percentage out of
Yeah,
it since he's
absolutely.
pitched it.
Yeah, के लिए इस interview के लिए तो just let us okay 2 truths and 1 lie right I've done my training in acting from New York. I love Godfather.
What do you think is the lie?
What do you think is the lie?
He said he
करी
hates
है
Mount.
इन्होंने अपनी एक्टिंग क्लासेस तो वहाँ की हैं अमेरिका में न्यूयॉर्क फिल्म एकेडमी if I'm not mistaken ठीक
He
he
loves
loves
Godfather.
Godfather भी सच है ये इस
And
पे
I hate mountains.
Hate Mountains हो भी सकता है
Eight mountains.
Hate Mountains ही होगा 100% झूठ मतलब जो बोल
Is
रहे
that
हो
correct?
Yeah, I love mountains.
Okay, I can write with 2 hands. I love dancing and I love swimming.
Right, with 2 hands. Have I seen her use her left? And the third one? It doesn't look like the water body, so I'm still like, I think third one. Sir, what do you think?
क्या चीज
I haven't seen her. Have you seen her write with both hands?
दूसरी 2 चीजें क्या हैं
और दूसरी स्विमिंग पसंद नहीं है
मैं पसंद है. Swimming पसंद है और
यही झूठ है
ये झूठ है ना मुझे भी
पक्का झूठ है
Is that correct?
Actually, मैंने 2 झूठ बोले.
इन्होंने 1 truth 2 lies कर दिया है कि दोनों हाथों से नहीं लिख सकते.
I was like, कोई तो मतलब.
दोनों हाथों से नहीं लिख सकती. Good one. What do you think?
हम एक हाथ से लिखना भूल चुके हैं. पेन कौन पकड़ता
Oh,
है?
when you write, you realize.
फोटोग्राफ देने के लिए पेन लेकर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करने के लिए पेन एक हाथ से नहीं लिखा.
आप देना चाहते हैं attempt 2 truths 1 lie?
मैं भी कुछ अलग करता हूँ
Please तीनों lies मत देना.
I like vodka, I like whiskey, I like beer. बताओ क्या झूठ है?
Vodka, whiskey and beer.
feeling he's more of a vodka whiskey guy than beer.
I think he's a whiskey guy. I
Yeah,
don't
he's
know
a
why.
whiskey guy. So I mean, so
What do you think?
he's not a beer guy. Is what I feel. Like he might like it though. He says he doesn't like it.
What do you think, Tamanna?
I think he doesn't like vodka.
I think he's a whiskey guy. That's the only probably truth.
उन्होंने बहुत जोर लगा लिया अपने दिमाग के ऊपर इन्होंने 2 झूठ बोले थे मैंने तीनों बोले मैं
You don't drink? Is it? Oh. But इतनी bad guy image बना ली इन्होंने movie में. We thought, oh, of course he is.
At least
आप
you don't
लोग
look like a
debate
vodka
करने
person.
लगे।
You look like a beer person.
Love it. Thank you so very much for this conversation. And in the end, I also want to, since I had started my job in radio, of course, 14 years ago, and I've enjoyed
Wow.
in 2010.
That is so cool.
That's a circle.
Yeah, that's nice.
Nice.
But it was
Good
really
job.
nice. All the very best for Sikandar Ka Muqaddar and excited to watch this film. और आप तीनों भी एक साथ आए, वो भी I think एक exciting moment होगा हमारे लिए. So thank you very much. And all the very best.